Make a great choice today with the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, fog lights, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.